Hello, my name's Reg and I've just installed the Hansshow sound generator on my Model 3. Now on their website it says it's an easy install. I usually go by how many times I swear during the installation. Well, I must say there wasn't many times at all, so I'd say it's an easy install. The hardest part about it was doing the wiring, trying to reroute that to the back. Apart from that, all good. Now I have put a link in the description to this product, and Hansshow are giving me, for you, 15% off. So if you click on the link, you'll get 15% off. Alright, now on to the installation. Enjoy. To the instructions, I have to power off. So I go to safety and security, power off, power off. Okay, so the power is off. Okay, now I have to remove that panel on the back of the glove box. So here goes. And release that plug. Okay, that's out. Okay, now I have to replace it with this plug. Oops. Okay, here goes. Get it off there. That's done. Now I'm going to put this one in there. Okay. Yep. This is not that easy. Okay, that is done. So I'll put that in there like that. And I have to run these wires somewhere. Okay, the next step is to mount that under there, one on either side. So I'll just jack the car up and we'll get started. Okay, now I have to undo these screws. There, and this one here, and take this plate off. Okay, let's go. Okay, the bottom plate cover is all off. Now I have to do is fit the exhaust. So let's do it. Okay, so it mounts on that one and on that one there. So undo that and put a bolt through that and sit it in there. Let's go. Okay, that's done. That's done. The other side is done. Now just got to put the wires through, hook it all up and see how we go. Okay, so now the fun part starts. I've got to run the wires up there somewhere. Doesn't tell you where to run them in the instructions, it just says there's one hole there to run the wire through. So I'll take this out and we'll have a look. Now this is not an easy job, trying to get the wires all the way up to the back and into the boot. I've got the seat out, I've got the trim out, and that's where the wires come from. But I'll get it, don't worry. Okay, all the wiring, I've had to run up the side here, along the back. I've just got to put the seats back together, run the wiring in the boot, up the back there, and sounds good. Just got to put everything back together. Okay, that's it. It's all back together. All done underneath in the boot. I'll do some sound tests later.